How are you?
Good.
Doing
What
good?
about you?
Yeah. Meet my new friend. He's from Pakistan. 1 taka. Pakistani almost 2 taka. So
yeah, somehow.
yeah,
like,
somehow. So it will cost almost 40 lakh. That means Bangladesh.
lakh for
yeah,
Bangladesh.
20 lakh from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
By the way, he's doing Master of Social Work with me. So tell me about your journey. Why you are like doing Master of Social Work there? Do you prefer to come Australia ahead of Canada, America,
Yeah,
or Europe?
because of good weather, good wages. Canada is suffering nowadays, and I am a dentist from Pakistan.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, he's
I think you
dentist.
didn't knew that, right? Yeah, 82.
My goodness, 82.
Yeah.
Just an incredible score.
Yeah.
So
somehow good one.
tell me about your experience, how you improve your skill. Do you think that PT is much easier compared to RPS?
Obviously.
Hello everyone. This is Jawar Ahmed from Melbourne. I hope everyone is doing well. So ব্যাপার যেটা হয়েছে আমার ফ্রেন্ড একটা পাকিস্তানি ফ্রেন্ড একটা ওয়েট করতেছে আমার জন্য তো চলেন একটু কথা বলি Yo, my friend waiting for me. My hero bro.
That's why you were not attending my gala.
How are you?
Good.
Doing
What
good?
about you?
Yeah. Meet my new friend. He's from Pakistan.
Yeah.
So, he will share his experience.
Not
Today's
now.
with not now.
Maybe
no,
later.
maybe later. So, how is your days going on? Good?
It's going good. What about you?
Yeah, it's doing really good. Yeah, today's weather is very calm and cool. Yeah, isn't it?
What?
Today's weather is very calm and cool. But early in the morning it's like frozen.
Yeah.
But at this
But
moment
still, it's good.
it's hot.
Even it's
Do you like hot?
even we are feeling hot, but the weather is cool.
Do you like hot weather or cold weather?
Cold one.
Cold one.
Yeah.
That's good. Me also.
Like this one, like.
Hi. So tell me about your country. Huh? Is Pakistan is better than Australia?
Pakistan is my homeland, then obviously it's better somehow.
Okay.
Because many of my friends, my family is there.
Okay.
So yeah, in terms of that kind of attachment, it's good one. But financially, Australia is better.
Yeah, much better
In
than.
terms of job opportunities, in terms of employment
Yeah.
and the wages, everything. Yeah, education is also better one. So yeah, obviously.
Hey, like how much it will cost if someone came from Pakistan to Australia? How much rupee?
Rupees, in terms of rupees, it's maybe around, when I came here, my total cost was around 40 lakhs.
40 lakh rupee.
Yeah, but maybe now it should be around 45 or 50 because there is devaluation of rupee.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
So ব্যাপার যদি ক্যালকুলেশন করেন সেম কারণ দেখা যাইতেছে sorry, if your calculator is like from Bangladeshi money like
Yeah.
1 taka Pakistani almost 2 taka. So
yeah, somehow.
yeah,
like
somehow. So it will cost almost 40 lakh. That means Bangladesh.
lakh for Bangladesh.
20 lakh from Bangladesh.
Yeah, so it's same thing. Just because of devaluation, we have that much difference.
How was your experience? Do you face any kinds of problem came from Pakistan to Australia?
Yeah, it took almost 9 months to for my entire journey. From submitting the application for university
Okay.
and doing the financial and GT documents, all the criteria I have to follow, and after that I have also applied for my visa, but it took deferment again. Then almost it was a big journey, almost 9 months. So yeah, that was a hell experience somehow.
Oh, by the way, he is doing Master of Social Work with me. So tell me about your journey. Why you are like doing Master of Social Work? There are also other subject also.
You know that well. Why I'm doing this?
PR. Only for PR.
Don't spread the secrets there.
Okay. So
Should be a secret for.
So listen, like tell me, share your background, like which subject you are study in your from your Pakistan.
Yeah, I am a dentist from Pakistan.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, he's
I think you
dentist.
didn't knew that, right?
No, I have a huge problem in my teeth.
Oh my God! Everyone just
Do-
say
do-
I
do-
have problems whenever I tell someone that I'm a dentist.
Do you know how to
Everyone just say like I have pain in my dead teeth. I have pain in my dead.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So.
By the way, he has a pretty good score in PTA. He got almost 82 or 85.
Yeah, 82.
My goodness, 82. Yeah. Just an incredible score.
Yeah.
So
somehow good.
tell me about your experience, how you improve your English skill.
Just practice as much as you can on Uni,
Yeah.
and then I think it's easy for you to ace that score. Either you are applying for student visa or you are also applying for immigration purposes. So for your PR, then I think I would suggest that just practice as much as you can and follow Skills Academic PTE. He has a YouTube channel.
channel, yeah.
So he just Nakul. His name is Nakul.
Yeah.
So I just followed him, and also there's another instructor. I don't know his name, but
Milestone is good, pretty good.
LA language.
Yeah, language, yeah,
Language
that also good.
Academy. I don't know his name, but his channel is also good. He also share good tips and tricks. How can we ace that score like 80 each in every module? So yeah, we can go for that.
So have you used any template or something like that? Especially?
Yeah, I have but only templates will not work. You have to write something like writing in essay section. People just use the templates. This way things not work. You will not get 80 score or 90 score.
Okay.
So you need to write your own stuff also.
Okay.
Like, yeah, you have to add 2-3 lines from your side also. Only template will not work.
Yeah,
That's why people are suffering. Like they are not getting that much score because they are only following the templates.
There's the another key point. If you need like more than 75 marks, it will not work to use template. Yeah, if
only template will not work.
Yeah. So if you need 65 or 60 something like that, then you can use template.
Yeah,
it will
60,
work.
65 it's easy to get. Only in template you can get it.
Yeah. Do you think that PT is much easier compared to RPS?
Obviously, PT is very much easier.
Yeah.
It's really easy to get 8 each. I think even 9 each it's easy.
Yeah.
So obviously it's much better because in the speaking section we just have to read the things when they are on a screen. On the computer, but in IELTS speaking we have to converse with an instructor or anyone, our teacher or the one who is taking our exam. So we have to be very much should have that kind of skill of talking with someone. So yeah, obviously PT is much better and easier. But for our course, we need IELTS for skill assessment and immigration purposes.
Yeah. PT not work.
Yeah, PT will not work. Even
yeah,
my
the car is
score,
really beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah,
I think it's McLaren showroom. So, yeah, it will cost more. More
around
than
maybe 5 million.
Yeah, around
Not 5 million,
no,
like 2.5 million.
Yeah.
5 lakhs dollars.
No.
Yeah, maybe it's Porsche or maybe.
No, it's McLaren.
Okay, you check the model.
Yeah, it's showroom.
Okay.
Super good. So, yeah.
Maybe they are doing advertising.
Yeah. So do you recommend to give PT ahead of IELTS?
Obviously, PT is much better if you want to come to Australia. They accept PT, but some of the courses, if you want to apply for your PR or anything else, so they accept IELTS, as in our course.
Okay.
In social work, so we need to be, we have to go for IELTS.
So what is your future plan? After your graduation, you will stay here or you will go your hometown?
I will go to my country as what I stated.
You already wrote your SOP.
Yeah, I will go back to my country and serve my country.
When you complete your graduation, you will go your hometown.
Yeah, I will go back to my country and serve poor people. Without money.
but your background is pretty good. You were a dentist in your country. So
I would apply for ADC and maybe somehow try to settle. Somehow I will try my best. But if no, then I can go back to my country.
yeah.
That's what I have committed to my visa officer for giving me and issuing me visa. So yeah, I have that option.
So another question. Like we are doing most expensive masters in Australia at this moment. So do you think?
Even in a cheap college, we are doing that much expensive.
Listen, do you think we can manage our tuition fee to do jobs here in Australia? Do you think that?
No, I don't think so. But yeah, somehow if you can do double jobs, hope people are getting me. Like somehow if you can do the jobs, then I think you can manage. But still, it's hard. If you have that much expensive course, then it's hard. But even if you pay, like in our college, we have installment options.
Yeah.
So yeah, if we have installments, we can give installment to our college or universities. Then I think it's much better and feasible.
Yeah. Do you recommend to come students, especially from India, Pakistan, and like
should I recommend?
Bangladesh,
Everyone
to
is
come here,
Everyone
study
is
in
coming.
Australia, because it's not
Everyone is coming, bro. No one just wanna lose this opportunity to travel abroad, either in UK, Australia, or USA.
Yeah.
And everyone is still.
So do you prefer to come Australia ahead of Canada, America,
Yeah,
or Europe?
because of good weather, good wages. Canada is suffering nowadays, and UK is also suffering because of a lot of burden on international students. Somehow Australian immigration is now strict for their students,
Yeah.
and they are just choosing those highly skilled students whose financial documents are enough and whose background is good one. So yeah, I think for now Australia is one of the most beautiful country for international students, for jobs and for your expensing, everything. Yeah, Australia would be preferred. And on the second option, I think USA will be good. But USA is expensive, hell expensive than Australia.
And not safe also.
Yeah, even Australia is not safe. But yeah,
Why you are
we
saying?
can't.
I always
we can't share.
told my community like
We can't share the secrets, bro. Everything is, under the ground. We can't share all the things. Once people came here, they will experience these things from time to time. Just we need to be very careful. Everywhere we are living, we need to be careful. I think Dubai is the most safest place in the earth currently, in every part of the world. I think Dubai is only the city of the world which is safe. Even UAE, Abu Dhabi, Dubai is really safe, because there if we leave the phone on the table, no one will pick your phone.
Yeah.
But in Australia, if we leave the phone, then we can't find it. So yeah, it's not that much safest, but it's still better, so far better.
Yeah. So you always recommend to come in Australia.
Obviously, Australia is good one.
So that is all about today. If anyone have any question, feel free to comments under below. So
And also, I will make my YouTube channel.
yeah, he will start his YouTube channel.
Just I inspired from Jobaya.
No.
Inspiring from
Only
Jobaya, I would
when I
now-
take my videos,
Yeah.
it gives me pleasure. So that is the
Okay.
most important thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And, time flies off just because of your videos. Yeah, your videos are really good. I watched yesterday some videos.
Oh, where you get my videos?
But I didn't get anything because they were in Bangladesh.
No. Where you get my videos? I don't share my link.
I think
yet
I
also.
have saved. I think I have saved from once you told us in class your channel. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's good.
So yeah, it's good experience.
So that is
So where we are going today?
so that is all about today's. So let's make a plan to
Yeah.
go here and there and explore Australia city, main city.
Yeah.
So So take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.